Hi, I'm Sam Johal and I'm recording this in Wellington, New Zealand. Apple Insider is carrying a story about rumours suggesting that Apple is developing a large all-screen folding MacBook Pro. However, the current state of foldable display technology may potentially delay its launch. In early 2022, it was speculated that Apple was creating a touchscreen device with a 20-inch foldable display thought to be either a MacBook or an iPad. By the end of that year, expectations shifted towards the development of a MacBook Pro featuring a roughly 20.5-inch foldable screen. If plans proceeded smoothly, this device could have launched as soon as 2026. However, in early 2023, rumors suggested that Apple had accelerated its timeline for releasing its first foldable MacBook Pro and now aims for a release sometime in 2025. An iFold Fold is still expected to follow this release. At this year's SID review event in South Korea, Samsung Display Managing Director spoke on the topic of foldable display reliability. Despite improvements being made over time from their initially weak starts, these displays are not yet as durable as non-foldable alternatives. Reports indicate Apple is collaborating with both Samsung Display and LG Display on producing its first product incorporating such technology. They also suggest Apple has been applying for patents related to products featuring foldable screens, while industry observers anticipate their entry into this field will boost adoption rates. The consensus appears to be that Apple is awaiting improvements in the durability and reliability of folding displays before launching any devices using them. However, supply chain uncertainties persist about exactly when one can expect these new products from Apple. Interestingly enough, though 6 years ago, they were granted patent rights for dual display hardware resembling MacBooks, equipped with unique hinges which transitioned automatically into digital keyboards upon requiring text input. Curious.